What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I was thinking of making a video of teaching you how to double pump shift. While you are driving, you have to press the clutch twice while you are shifting. So that's a common thing which is practiced by racers while they are racing their car on a drag strip, or normally they like to just double clutch shift and then the car just feels smoother. So today I'm gonna tell you how to do that. It's not difficult at all. You just have to do it a couple of times and then you will just feel like you are getting hang of it and you can do it easily. So what I was thinking that I need to tell you guys how to do that. So today I'm gonna tell you how to do double clutch shift. It's not difficult at all. I also do it sometimes, but mostly I don't do it because I am not driving and I'm not racing most of the time. So I just like to drive normally and I don't do that. I just like to do some auto rev thing. So whenever I am downshifting, I just like to rev my car a little bit and then I like to shift, because that is good for your car. Your car loves it and I just love to do that. And I was also intrigued how to do it, and it was a bit difficult in the starting, but after some time I got the hang of it and I am able to do it. So it's not that difficult, you just have to practice it. So there was some drops, so that's why my mask was up and I wasn't speaking to you guys. I wasn't saying anything because I don't want to get caught, because otherwise they are gonna charge me and I have to pay the fee. So that's why I just don't like to get caught by them. So I was saying about double clutch shifting. So it's not difficult, it's really easy, it's a really small process. What you have to do is, while you are shifting, you just have to pump the clutch once and then pump your clutch again before shifting. You don't have to do a lot while you are double clutch shifting, because what you have to do is, while you are driving, now you have to shift your gear. So you are gonna press the clutch once, so you have to press the clutch once and then release the clutch, and as you are pressing the clutch for the first time, you have to get your car into neutral. So while your car is neutral now and it is coasting, you have to press the clutch again and then you have to put your car in gear. So this means double clutch shifting. While you are shifting, you have to use your clutch twice. So this is double clutch shifting. And no, it's not like you are affecting your clutch a lot while you are using it twice, because normally you use it only once and now you are using it twice. It's not that kind of a thing. You just have to do it gently and you don't have to put a lot of pressure over it, and you'll be able to do it. It won't be that difficult. So I was just doing it and it's not that difficult. You just need to get hang of it, because sometimes you just feel like it's taking a long time, because at this point I am slow. Like, I call myself out, I am slow at it right now. While I double clutch shift, I am slow and I am not that fast while double clutch shifting, because my brain is like, you have to shift only once and you don't have to shift twice. But in real life I am doing that. So at a certain point I just realized that I have to shift twice. I have to press the clutch twice. So I am just looking to it, I am practicing it more and more, and I think I am able to do it while I'm driving, but I have to practice it a little bit more as I practice how to downshift. Like, downshift was easy. It was at the same level, I'll say, because that you have to have it in your mind that you have to drive your car and you need to have a certain position of your right foot to brake and race at the same time. So that is a different thing, but I am getting at that easily But this is like a bit different because I have to press the clutch once and then again I have to press the clutch twice, so it just feels odd. So it's not that difficult, you just have to practice it. I know I have also done that, but the main thing is you just need to drive your car like that, and after some time you'll just feel normally and you'll feel like it is a generic thing, and your body knows and your brain knows what you have to do. So while you are shifting, like, you know now you have to change the gears, and your brain just sends you the signal and you don't even have to think that you have to change the gears, and you just do that. So you have to do the same thing in that, so you just have to practice and you'll be able to do it. Like right now I just downshifted, so I was braking and revving at the same time, and I was just pressing the race, I was just pressing the accelerator, and I was downshifting in from 4th to 3rd, from 3rd to 2nd. You just need to practice it and you will be able to do it. It's not that difficult. I do it most of the time, 90% of the time I do it. I don't double clutch shift 90% of the time, but 90% of the time I just like to downshift while I'm alone. Like while I'm with my friends, I just don't do this because I just don't like to do this with them. But while I'm alone, I just like to do this. There was a drunk in the middle of the road, that's why I got stuck. That's why I stopped. And you can't help him. Like, you can't do anything about that, so you just have to go over them. Not over them, like when they just pass the road, then you have to go. Like, don't go over them. I wasn't saying that. But still, you just have to do it, and it's not that difficult. I have done that multiple times, and for the first couple of days I was feeling odd about it, but after some time I got used to it, and I was thinking, like, it's not that difficult. Like, you can easily do it. What is he doing? Like, he has his blinker on and he's not going to that side. Like, these are some douchebags to do that. Like, I hate these kind of person. He's having a nice Range Rover, but he don't know how to use his blinkers. Like, are you serious? I hate these type of person. So I was just thinking that, and it's not that difficult, so as I told you, and you just have to practice it a couple of times, and a lot of racers do this. A lot of racers do this because this is good for your car, and while you are shifting, it is just nice for your transmission and your engine. So you need to practice it if you want to be a racer, or if you want to be a sort of them. You just need to practice it, and you'll be good at it. It won't be that difficult for anyone. I don't think so. It will be difficult for anyone. So I hope you got something from this video and you were able to see what I told you, and you will be practicing this if you want to, and if you want to be a racer, you can practice this. It's not that difficult. So I also like to do the same thing. I just practice, I just learn new things, and I just like to practice while I'm driving, and that's the way I get to know how to do all these things and how to enjoy my car and to have fun in it. So thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope you liked it and you learned something and you will apply in your driving skills. So thank you guys for watching. Just smash the like button and subscribe to my channel, because you know that helps me a lot. Peace out.